Perhaps we talk about how you can avoid some curb rash. Option 1 is just to be mindful of your parking distances. And this is true with any car. Whether it be this Tesla, or any vehicle you drive, it applies to all. Practice stopping with the few inches of space between your wheels and the curb. Use your mirrors and curb cameras or sensors if equipped to help you maintain a safe distance. Another thing you can do, which gives you total peace of mind on top of just driving better, will be to install wheel rim protectors, and fortunately MagBak RimCase has you covered. They act as a buffer and are fairly easy to install. I actually have a video on the channel, it'll be in the description below, so you can check that out if you want to see it before you buy it. And speaking of buy it, they reduced the price by over 40%. Now the baseline price before any discounts is $149 when previously it was $249. On top of that, if you use teslafpv at checkout, you'll get a little bit more discount off. They come in a variety of colors and are designed to absorb impact with curbs, minimizing direct contact with the wheel. And you can buy spare pieces, so the part where you do hit a curb, you can take those pieces off and then put some new parts on. You don't have to replace or worry about damaging your whole rim. Now let's go back to talking about what you can do with just your car. Again, I'm gonna hit on the parking sensors. If your car has parking sensors, let them guide you. They're gonna emit a warning sound when you're too close to an obstacle, like a curb, and it'll give you time to adjust or react. Now, with the cameras of the Tesla and the sensors, it's pretty easy to just pull up and park, but let's talk about parallel parking, because you have to do this in a lot of situations, but it's nice that the cameras can help you out, and you have the extra protection of the MagBak wheel rim protectors. So practice your angle parking technique. When parallel parking, approach the curb at a shallow angle rather than straight on. This is going to reduce the chances of scraping the wheels against the curb. Now go on and practice your parallel parking or parking in general. Improve your parallel parking ability, and these skills will boost your confidence and precision when parking close to curbs, other cars, or just anywhere in general. Practicing with cones or markers in an open space can be effective, and if you need someone to help you, hey, ask someone to help you. So if you wanted to go ahead and protect your wheels, or maybe cover up some existing damage, then these MagBak rim cases are the way to go. You can get them for either the 3 or why it's a 4-pack, and you can add a single spare wheel. Different color, different options, but you can use Tesla FPV on anything you pick out to save you some money and protect your ride.